We start today's meeting.
Yes, so today's meeting is to offer a tribute to Clifton De Silva, who has left for his heavenly abode on the 23rd of April 2021. He was the founder of Altina Securities and has been part of the capital markets for the last 40 years and working out of Mumbai. In the last 5 years, his contribution to the SME sector has been incredible. Not only did he mentor and contributed to the listing of 7 SME and still to more to come in the SME platform of both BSE and NSE, he also ensured continuous support to these companies by guiding them in their journey of achieving excellence. We have today Ajay Thakur, who is the SME head from the BSE platform and wants to share his experience and journey with Clifton De Silva in the SME platform. Over to you, and we have Jitendra Sethi, who will be, sharing this sharing the questions and experiences with Ajay Thakur, and I give the mic to Jitendra ji.
Ajay Thakur ji, namaskar. Uma ji, namaskar.
Yeah.
This is a very sad moment. We are communicating with each other. Mr. Clifton De Silva was very close to Ajay Thakur ji, and so the first thought came to my mind to talk to him, to have his
Yeah.
views so that we can share with the investors about his personality, what work he was doing, and what were his achievements. So keeping these points in view, I will ask some questions to Ajay Thakur ji. So he can answer and throw the light on his personality and the work he has done. So my first question to Ajay ji is how you were introduced to Clifton De Silva. When did you come in contact with him and how?
Thank you, Mr. Sethi. I think it's a terrible moment. It has come as a terrible shock to me when I have heard about the sad demise of Mr. Clifton. As you know, BSE was the first stock exchange to launch its SME platform. And Mr. Clifton was working in this field. He has got his some friends who were small and medium enterprises, and he wants to list that company on our BSE SME platform. And during that course, we have interacted with each other. I have tried to understand him. I've tried to understand his perspective, what he wants to do and how he wants to take the SME companies ahead and help in making those companies large corporates. So around 5-6 years back, we have the interaction. And from there, our journey has started. And, he started working closely with me on this SME platform.
Ajay ji, please tell us more about his passion for educating investors and his investment philosophy.
Clifton has vast experience. He was already, related with capital market for almost 40 years. He understands the market. He has seen all phases of the capital market. He knows the investor's mentality. He has got huge network and connectivity. And, while our interaction, he want to leverage his experience, his knowledge, his connectivity for the betterment of a small and medium enterprises. I always found, him very much passionate about educating the investors, and for that he was writing articles in various newspapers. He was also giving interviews on various TV channels and news channels. And, through that, I can understand how passionate he was all about. And he understands the capital market is the real platform which can empower investors and the corporates at large, and which can contribute to the growth of the economy. I think this understanding has helped Mr. Clifton in various fields, whether you talk about primary market, secondary market, and towards the SME side.
What were his most important qualities?
He has a lot of qualities. I was a great fan of him. Let me tell you, he carries with him lots of positivity. His sheer knowledge of capital market, in-depth knowledge of capital market was his great qualities. He was a very good orator. He has got a huge convincing power. And, these were his traits. And these traits, give a lot of comfort level to, various stakeholders of the capital market, whether you talk about investors, promoters, even his friends, they get a lot of comfort when they interact with Mr. Clifton.
Recently, he had started mentoring promoters, a very new concept. What are your views on that?
See, over the 5-6 years, he was one of a strong pillar of the SME market, as far as capital market is concerned. He was not only going for, bringing the investors into the company, but the first thing he used to do is to understand the promoters' mentality, promoters' intentions, how they want to grow their business, where they want to take their business, what are the USPs of the business. And thereafter, he approaches to the investors, bring the money into those companies. He handhold the companies. He even helps the merchant bankers, in making the draft prospectus, in opening the IPO, in completing the whole, issue subscription, and getting the company listed. Not only that, he was also helping in the secondary market. In fact, market making is the very integral component of SME platform. So even the market making exercise, he was supporting the the market maker, that is the member of the stock exchange, and also the merchant banker. So overall, he was providing a complete package to the SME promoters as far as listing is concerned. Whenever the merchant banker and the promoters, together bring the issue, both merchant banker as well as the promoters were confident and comfortable that the issue will sell through and the company will get listed. And the one person who used to give the comfort level both to promoters and the merchant bankers was Mr. Clifton. His departure from the from the earth has created a big void into the whole SME system, and I am quite sure that his niche investors, who used to take a lot of advice from him before investing into the companies, must feel his absence from the capital market. It's really a sad incident.
Ajay ji, any other important point or an inspiring story you can share with us?
There are a lot of inspiring stories. I can't tell you only one, but, he was the one person who has taken me to Goa. He has brought 3-4 companies from the state of Goa. Before that, even I had never been to Goa for this purpose. And I was also not aware that there are a lot of industries there in the state of Goa. He was also doing a lot of events in, in Mumbai. Traveling across the country, working hard. Sometimes I get amused by the energy that he used to carry. He was a bundle of energy, and let me tell you, with that sort of energy, he keeps on working, running here and there. Even we have traveled together to Dubai, where he wants to create a big fund we can invest into these SME companies. We have also done an investor program in Dubai. So, these were his qualities, to assemble the person, to assemble the people, to assemble the investors, to assemble the promoters. These were the great qualities, to bring everyone under one roof is the most difficult task. But he was doing all these things with great ease. And I think it's a big trait, because nowadays in this world, to bring everyone under one platform is very difficult task. And if some person can do this, you can understand he is a person of extraordinary caliber and character. So this is the one thing that I have always liked about him, and that keeps him separate from many others. He was an extraordinary person altogether.
He liked you very much, and he wanted you to be there in all the meetings with him.
Yeah, I agreed. We share very cordial relation with each other. In fact, we used to inspire each other. He was my inspiration, and he always also used to get inspired from me. Whenever we go together as a team. Okay, we complement each other. these things create a lot of positive vibes into the all the places wherever we go. So yes, we like each other. We share a very good relation, and as I have told you, he was a very big companion with me, who has in creating this whole SME ecosystem.
Of late, he had started talking about valuation articles he had given and at what prices the stocks he had picked up. A lot of research he was doing on that and about his investment philosophy, what can be done so that the more people know about his contribution to the investment.
And in fact, let me tell you, even most of the companies whose public issue he has brought, those companies have done very well. Okay, in fact, investors have made money in those companies. Even the valuation have grown up many-fold. So I think he was to the point. He knows how the things should be done. He understands the potential of the promoters, and accordingly he proceeds further. So these were the great traits of Clifton. Of course, we all will miss him.
Thank you, Ajay, for giving us the time, and we can completely understand the sorrow and the gap that is being created because of sudden demise of Clifton. And we hope on behalf of Investor Services Cell, we thank you very much for your time today. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Thank you, Ajay.
Thank you.
Much.